Let me ask you something. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive without a paycheck? A week? A month? If that question makes you uneasy, you're not alone. And that's exactly why this video could change your financial life. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 easiest steps to build real, lasting wealth, even if you're starting from zero. This isn't theory. These are proven steps used by real millionaires and financially free people around the world. Let's dive in. Step 1. Master your cash flow. Wealth building starts with one foundational skill: knowing exactly where your money is going. Think of your income like water flowing into a bucket. If that bucket is full of holes, untracked spending, subscriptions you forgot about, impulse buys, then no matter how much water you pour in, you'll never fill it. Here's how to plug those leaks. Track every dollar. Use free tools like Rocket Money or YNAB. You need a budget. These tools help you see your full financial picture instantly. Create a zero-based budget. That means every dollar has a job: spending, saving, or investing. Cut what doesn't serve you. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook at home more. Delay gratification. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. What's one expense you could cut today without missing it? Let me know in the comments. Step 2. Eliminate bad debt. Bad debt is the enemy of wealth. It's wealth in reverse. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, that's like earning a 20% return on your money. Ouch. Here's how to crush it. Use the debt avalanche method. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on the rest. Or use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest balance first for quick momentum. Apps like Undebt and Tally automate your payoff plan so you stay on track. Remember, being debt-free isn't just a financial shift, it's a mindset shift. Want help creating your debt payoff plan? Check out the free debt calculator on my site. Link is in the description. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Before we go into investing, let's build your financial shield. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. It's not meant to make you rich, it's meant to keep you from going broke. Use platforms like SoFi, offers 4.60% plus APY on savings. Chime. Bank, no fees, solid app. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, also very competitive rates. This fund will protect your wealth so you never have to reach for a credit card during tough times. I've got a free emergency fund calculator linked below. Use it to figure out your exact number today. Step 4. Invest for the long term. Now comes the fun part, growing your wealth. This is where compound interest does the heavy lifting. Start with 401k, especially if your employer matches contributions. That's free money. Roth IRA or traditional IRA, tax-advantaged accounts that grow faster over time. Index funds and ETFs, like Vanguard's VTI or Fidelity's FXAX. Low-cost, diversified, and easy to buy. Use investing platforms like Fidelity, great for long-term investing with auto-rebalancing pies. Robinhood, good for beginners, but be careful of day trading temptation. Vanguard, best for serious long-term wealth builders. Even just $100 a month invested in an index fund with a 7% return can grow to over $120,000 in 30 years. Time is your greatest asset. Don't wait. Step 5. Increase your income. You can only cut expenses so much, and the real power lies in earning more. Here are 3 ways to grow your income. Grow in your career. Negotiate raises. Improve your skills. Start a side hustle. Freelancing on Upwork, selling on Etsy, affiliate marketing, or YouTube. Yes, even with 0 subscribers. You can monetize with affiliate links and lead magnets. Own assets. Start a digital product business, invest in rental property, or buy dividend-paying stocks. High income plus high discipline, unstoppable wealth. So let's recap. Master your cash flow. Eliminate bad debt. Build an emergency fund. Invest for the long term. Increase your income. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about systems. And the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Question for you. What step are you currently on in your wealth journey? Drop it in the comments below. Links in the description for some of the tools I mentioned in this video. And hey, If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'm Bob, and remember, money doesn't buy happiness, but being broke sure doesn't either. See you in the next one.